Good afternoon, everyone. Time right now is 12:31. Taking a look at temperatures around the valley. We're warming up just a bit. 85 here in Weslaco, 86 in Harlingen and Brownsville, 86 in McAllen. Their relative humidity at 70%. Winds out of the east, southeast at 6 here in Weslaco. Out of the northeast, still in Brownsville at about 12. McAllen out of the southeast at 6. We've got a little bit of a mixed flow here. And out of the east in Weslaco at 5. So pretty calm for the most part. The chances of rain today a little less than the last few days. In fact, into the weekend about the same, sort of a barely 20% today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And what you see today is basically going to repeat itself for the next couple of days as well. Sunshine and then heating of the day and a possibility for some stray showers. You can see some moisture coming in from the Gulf onto the coast, and as the temperatures heat up with the afternoon and the ground warms up, we'll get a little bit of a mixed bag going. It kind of stirs up the moisture, the clouds bubble up, so we can't rule out a stray shower, maybe a quarter of an inch here and there, but some places could get a downpour if you happen to be under one of those spots. But most of this will be sort of fast moving for the most part and just very isolated hit and miss, and that's through the weekend. You can see the moisture out here pushing in onto the coast. So as I said, with the heating of the day, those chances kind of increase. For the most part, the rest of the state is mainly dry. Temperatures in the 80s for the most part, a little cooler in the Panhandle and out in El Paso, 79, but 86, 87 along the coast here for most of the state of Texas. Here's what's happening. We have the front that came through that was a little bit of a teaser front. It got us wet and it cooled us down quite a bit, mostly because of the cloud cover, and we had a bit of moisture and rain. That's still, now that's just out here on the Gulf, and now we have the flow bringing that moisture in, so we're going to remain warm over the next couple of days. But a front is coming, a real front that's going to give us a good cool down and much drier air. This front's going to swing through probably Sunday night. With it, a chance of rain and showers, but behind it on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, cooler, drier air, breezy on Monday, but Tuesday and Wednesday look gorgeous with a good cool down, the kind of front you're used to with the lower humidity. So I'm super excited about that front. And then we don't have to worry about moisture building in again and the humidity on the rise until the back half of the week. If you're heading out to the coast, here's your high and low tide information. Seas just at 2 to 4 feet. Maybe a stray spotty shower, but for the most part right now it's pretty sunny. And if you're heading out to football tonight, it looks very nice. It should be dry. Daytime showers should be tapering off, and temperatures will be in the low 80s to the upper 70s for the evening. And it looks like a pretty good evening. 7-day forecast, as I said, today, tomorrow, and Sunday are basically the same, warm with a spotty shower, and then as we head into Sunday night to Monday, that front comes through, really cools things down. Great, gorgeous weather for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then things start to sort of rebound back to our normal pattern at the end of the week. There's a look at your first Warren 5 forecast.